Hey, my name is Austin Childress. I am the Director of Education for Carabello Coffee here in Newport, Kentucky, and this video is brought to you by Roasty Coffee. All right, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the differences between an AeroPress and a French press. So, AeroPress and a French press, they both fall into the category of full immersion brewing. What I mean by full immersion brewing is that we're going to allow the coffee and the water to sit together inside of the brew cylinder, and we're gonna allow time to do the extraction for us, right? That's gonna pull out all the flavor as the coffee and the water sit together longer. But the thing that differentiates the two is the use of pressure. So in a French press, we're not using any pressure to separate the grounds from the brewed coffee liquid. So in a French press, at the end, you're just gonna take your plunger and you're gonna push down a wire metal mesh screen. And that just pushes the grounds very gently to the bottom, separating them from your brewed coffee. So then you have that, you just pour it right out. You may get a little residual substance, a little bit more of the coffee grounds left over in a French press because it doesn't have a paper filter. Some people love it, some people hate it, maybe it is your preference. And then with an AeroPress, you're actually utilizing some pressure to extract. So the brew time will be shorter because you're kind of making up some of that with pressure. So you're still allowing the grounds and the water to sit together in your French press, but then you're actually gonna push down and the pressure is actually gonna help extract more flavor from the coffee rather than allowing time to do it like we did in our French press. So at the end though, in an AeroPress, you've allowed it to go through a little paper filter. So you'll still get a lot of kind of big body attributes from this brew method like you would from a French press, but there's a paper filter in there, so it'll probably end up being a little cleaner in the cup, but you're still gonna get that really nice full flavor. So play with these two, find your preference. They'll make great coffee either way.